Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a group on Facebook. So in order to create a group on Facebook, it's actually quite easy. So in order to do this, all you need to do is open Facebook just like this. Once you're at home, simply head over to the bottom right corner of your screen at your profile picture. Once you've basically done that, you should be at this screen right here, basically a menu where you will see your profile, but also a lot of options right here. And then what you need to do is click on groups right here. Once you're at this groups page, all you need to do is head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on that plus icon. And then right here it will say create a group. All you need to do is click on that, and now we can start creating a group. So we first of all need to name our group. So I'm just going to name mine test, and you need to choose your privacy of your group. So this can be public or private. I'm going to set mine to public, just like that. Once you've done that, click on create group like this, and it's going to start creating our group. And now we can actually start inviting some people to this group, as you guys can see. So you can either do that, or you can click on next at the top right. Once you've done that, you can also add a cover photo, but I'm just going to skip that for now, and I'm going to click on close at the top right. Then click on confirm, and right now we will notice that we just created our group, and we can now do whatever we want with this group basically. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do in order to basically create a group over on Facebook. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.